Hello and welcome to your crash course on academic report writing. I'm Flora, your instructor. Writing a report is one of the most common types of assignments in any academic programs. If this type of writing is new to you, you are not alone. Most post-secondary students have not been used to writing reports. That is why this course is designed especially for you. By the end of the course, you'll be able to effectively document a report to inform the various audiences about a topic. This video will preview the first module, What Makes a Good Report, so that you will know what to expect in this online course. Let's go! Firstly, you will watch an instructional video about the differences between reports and essay. Secondly, you will read a short ebook that explains the common sections of reports and their basic characteristics. Then, read a poster that summarizes the report structure and the formatting best practices for academic reports. Next, you'll review the content with an interactive module, including click boxes, drag and drop activity, and quizzes. Welcome to the review lesson of the crash course on academic report writing. Click play to begin. What makes a good report? Click each box on the left to reveal content. You will see the brief summary of what you have learned so far about reports. Finally, you'll demonstrate how much you have learned by posting in the discussion, explaining what makes a good report, and reply to others' posts. Be sure to check the discussion rubric to make quality contribution to the class. That is the end of the Module 1.